also Adenike from Nigeria. Lake Chad has been a point of humanitarian crisis in Africa and the world at large. From drought to food insecurity to the displacement of 10.7 million people, the violence and insecurity of all kinds. Democracy can be a failed project if it does not take into account the environment. This is an environmental crisis that we are experiencing in the Lake Chad region, and this can affect the world democracy. Democracy should take into account the environment, that is a green democracy, a government of the people and the environment, for the people and the environment, and by the people and the environment. According to previous studies, the more the democracy, the greater the civic liberties. Experience with democratic system of governance and greater environmental protection policies, with more participation in international environmental agreements and better outcomes. This is what a democracy should look like, because it takes into account the environment. Democracy is another form of mitigation against climate change. And mitigation against climate change is another form to bring down or reduce emissions, of which the resultant effect is always a safe planet for all. The environmental condition of most countries should tell you more about the democratic system. So we should take into account that environment needs a democracy also that is going to make it stable, because people need the environment for us to achieve our basic human rights. This pandemic has affected our social rights, and we don't want such again, and we don't want to see such because it's not an effective way of mitigation. So we need to keep supporting the green recovery post-COVID-19, because it's another way we can build back a vaccinated economy stronger and better for everyone. Thank you.